Well, YouTube, part 2, finishing the table. And you know what, guys? I got to thinking. And mainly what I want to keep on the table is, oh, let's get a shot of those. Oh my gosh, look at them new boots. Oh boy. Anyways, so mainly what I want to keep on the table is clamps. And, you know, honestly, I don't know how much, because I don't do a lot of, like the grinding and stuff like that. I don't actually do on the table in this setup. So I think I'm going to actually build a separate little, well, I don't know. I may change my mind and there might have to be a part 3. What I am going to do though is take these guys, which if I would have had the footage from part 1, see the revised part 1 with no footage of the whole table build because I deleted it on accident, you would have seen me hack these off of what was the top. So the top, you see these 2 pieces here, they were all one big long piece, and these on the underside, you can see where I cut them off, were all welded, and they were used as some sort of hanging mechanism. But what I'm going to use them for is, I think I'm going to put them just like this. Oh, there you go, just like that. In some sort of fashion as a place to hang clamps and get them the heck off my table. Yeah. So, for now at least, that's what we're going to do. If I think of anything else, it's kind of one of those things where I just need to see what I want kind of as I go along. And as I work, I'm like, I'd really like this more set up this way, so we'll see as we go along. For now though, I want to get some of these up on there to hang some stuff on. So let's see, I'm just gonna have to square up these ends, and I think I'm not gonna mess with bending them because I'll just use the bend how it is. So I'm just gonna kind of square up that end, probably just zap them off on the chop saw real quick, and then probably just 60-11 them on, give them a quick little brushing, and just 60-11 these things on. So let's get to work, guys. Okay, we got them all cut off. Now we're going to take this handy little device I got here. Clamp them in and just give them a quick little wire wheel. Clean them up a little bit. Alright guys, we got them all, the ends cleaned up, happy enough for me to be happy with. Now to figure out where these are gonna go. I think I'll put one right there. I don't know. Let's do another one somewhere. That's about it, guys. So I ended up putting this guy on the back side, which we are going to hang some grinders on, and yeah, we'll see. That's going to do for that for now, though. Okay, guys, no, not too fancy, but hey, no reason to be fancy if you ain't got to be fancy. You know what I'm saying? So, got one there, got all our C-clamps hung up, our square stuff there, and got two of these I can stick my grinders on, which is nice, and hang those clamps there. Eventually I'm going to build like a separate little stand to hang all this stuff on, because I want my grinder blades and everything to be accessible, you know what I mean? So, but I want to keep as much, I don't want to take away room from my workspace on the table. And welding those on, I use these good old 8-inch 6011, these Vulcan, get them from Harbor Freight. They run the best for me on this machine. That was at 105 amps, I usually run it at 105 or 120 amps. I don't know what it is, these Vulcan just seem to run best on the Lincolns. Well, at least my Lincoln. Heck, I'm sure they're all a little different. But, you know, guys, honestly, I think that pretty much wraps it up for now. I might think of something else fancy to do on this thing, but I don't really need to make this table too crazy. You know, it's a simple table. I want to keep it simple. And, you know, keep the door open for some other projects, for some other things that I have to do. So... anyways, stay tuned for that. And for now, I think we're going to go ahead and shut the door on the old table build. So, thanks for watching, guys. More to come.